It's no secret that our habits either make us or break us. Good habits lead to success, happiness, and well-being, while bad ones lead to failure, unhappiness, and ill health. This is especially true when it comes to our money. The way we handle our finances often comes down to our daily choices, both big and small. These daily choices are driven by our habits. So, if you want to improve your financial situation, start by examining your daily money habits. Here are some psychology-backed habits that either make or break you when it comes to money. Number 1. Keeping an emergency fund. According to research, most people have less than 3 months of living expenses saved in an emergency fund. Having an emergency fund is essential for your financial health. It can help you avoid going into debt when unexpected expenses arise. However, many people struggle to save even a small amount for emergencies. The good news is that this habit can be changed. Start by setting a goal for how much you want to have in your emergency fund. Then break that goal down into smaller, more manageable chunks. For example, if you want to have $1,000 in your emergency fund, then start by saving $50 per month. Automate your savings by setting up a direct deposit from your paycheck into your savings account. This way, you won't even notice the money is missing. Number 2. Spending less than you earn. Another habit that can make or break you financially is spending less than you earn. If you spend everything you earn, you'll always be living paycheck to paycheck. But if you earn more than you spend, you'll start to build wealth over time. The key to spending less than you earn is to live below your means. This doesn't mean you have to be frugal or deprive yourself of all the things you enjoy. It just means being mindful of your spending and making sure it aligns with your financial goals. When you spend less than you earn, you free up money to invest in yourself, your education, your career, and eventually retirement. Number 3. Investing for the future. Most people don't invest for the future. They just spend all their money in the present. But investing is one of the best ways to grow your wealth over time. The earlier you start, the better. Even if you can only afford to invest a little bit each month, it will add up over time. There are many different ways to invest, so find what works best for you. If you're not sure where to start, consider working with a financial advisor. They can help you develop an investment strategy that meets your needs and goals. Don't let another year go by without investing. Start today and watch your money grow. Number 4. Avoiding lifestyle inflation. One of the biggest mistakes people make is increasing their spending when they earn more money. This is called lifestyle inflation, and it's a major reason why many people never become wealthy. When you get a raise or a bonus, instead of treating yourself, think about how you can use that extra money to improve your financial situation. For example, you could put the money towards paying off debt, investing, or saving for retirement. By avoiding lifestyle inflation, you'll be able to build wealth over time and achieve your long-term financial goals. 5. Paying yourself first. When it comes to your money, you have to make yourself a priority, and the best way to do that is by paying yourself first. This simply means setting aside a portion of your paycheck for savings or investments before you pay anyone else. By making yourself a priority, you'll be able to reach your financial goals faster and build a brighter future for yourself. The bottom line is that your daily habits have a profound impact on your financial situation. The good news is that you can change your habits. By following the tips above, you can set yourself up for financial success. Remember, it's the small things you do every day that make the biggest difference over time. So don't wait any longer to start building the habits you need to make your dreams a reality. The sooner you start, the better. And remember, consistency is key. It takes time to build new habits, but the results are definitely worth it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.